Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on read status on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First, click on your profile, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and now click privacy. Now click messaging, and here you will find here a read status. Just click on it and it will be turned on. And that's how to turn on read status. Easy and quick on your account on TikTok. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.